Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today it's a bittersweet one for me. So where to begin? Many of you will know that I have been working for a while now with the lovely Pam of PAM Diamond Painting. Her business is currently in the process of being all finalized and closed up. And we had a great time doing the PAM party sort of farewell celebration event. Whilst doing that, we as a family had to say farewell to one of our cats, the wonderful Neko. I will pop a picture up on screen so that you can see her. She was an adorable diva, wonderfully described by the vets as a vintage lady, and it was very sad to say goodbye to her. But Pam, bless her heart, wanted to do something for me by way of remembering Neko, and she asked me to provide her with a photo, and she had a custom made for me of Neko. This is her now, so we're going to start at the bottom. This is a big one, so let me see if I can get this so that you can at least see most of it. Oh, there's another diamond painting wrapped up in this as well, so let's get that out of the way, because we're not doing that one today. So here she is. Let's just get that ring light out of the way. This is Neko. So this is an absolutely beautiful picture of her. I love it. It's my favourite picture of her. She's just sat on the edge of the couch, and you can just see out the window and a bit of the curtain. So she's really nicely framed. You can see her beautiful face, and yeah, she was such a beautiful, very demure lady of a cat. But yeah, so this is an absolute beast. It is in rounds. It's going to be, I think there's more confetti in it than you'd think when you're doing a black cat, but you need that so that you can get, otherwise she'd just be a blob and there'd be no dimension to the picture. If I bring you down, you'll be able to see. Obviously, anyone that's worked on a PAM canvas before will know how wonderfully clear they are to do. Got lovely symbols, even in the darker areas where you might expect there to be some problems. You can still see that really clearly, and I'm hopeful that since this is a round, you will get a lot of these sort of white areas that are in the background. They will shine through those gaps between the drills that you get when you're working on rounds. But yeah, look at that eye, stunning. Yes, I'm very excited. This has got, what have we got in here? There's 4 specials. I need to look at what they are actually. Let's bring you out a little bit again. So yeah, let's have a look at the drills. Let's see. Yeah, so it looks like we've got ABs, I think, or is it fairy dust? No, it's ABs. We've got 1, 2, 3. Is there another? Obviously, as you'd expect, we've got a chunky old bag of 939. Look at that. And then maybe not so much as you'd expect of the 310, but also quite a lot of 3799. So let me just have a look. 3799. That's the letter J. So yeah, that's going to provide a lot of the lighter shades within her. And then is it J? Oh no, sorry, it's not the J. It's a /. So actually, that is mostly going to be in these slightly lighter areas of the curtain. That one. 310 obviously is going to go where you'd expect it to, but just not so much as you'd expect. And it's mostly the letter T, which I'm guessing is going to be, yeah, that's your 939. So the large majority of it is going to be this 939. There's the other special that I was looking for. So we're going to have a little sprinkling of the white AB, got this lovely grey, a little bit of blue, and some of this lovely sparkly green, which is going to go, I think, yeah, you're going to see that in her collar and a little sprinkle in her eyes. So I think that will be brilliant. So yeah, this, it's I don't know when I'm going to start this. I don't know if I'm ready to work on it yet, but maybe sometime, maybe Remembrance next year, we'll see. Yeah, I don't think I'm not quite ready to tackle this one yet, but yeah, I think it's going to be one that I'm going to have to do, you know, slow and steady, little bits at a time, because yeah, it's going to be a lot emotionally to deal with this one. Sorry, lost my train of thought. Yeah, she's not my last PAM canvas that I have on hand. Obviously, you've just seen that there was another one that came wrapped up. I will show that off in a later video at some point. And obviously, I have got the ones that you've already seen me unbox to do as well. I am slowly working through them, but there's quite a lot. And yeah, I need to devote a little bit of time to each of them, I think. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you and spend a little while, just, you know, November is the month of remembrance for a lot of us for so many reasons, and it seemed like the right time to be remembering Neko as well, and sharing this absolutely gorgeous diamond painting with you all. My way to again publicly thank Pam for her support and generosity over the last year. I am so grateful to have met you through this hobby, and yeah, thank you for giving me this opportunity to have this wonderful memento of our dearly beloved cat. So I'm going to leave this here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will have another video for you on Friday, and before then I will see you on Wednesday for something live and crafty at 8 p.m. So thank you as always to the people that support this channel through their donations on Patreon or here as channel members. You guys mean the absolute world to me, and I couldn't do it without you. So thank you for your generosity again and your friendship. And if anyone fancies joining them, details are always down below. You know what to do. It's typical YouTubey stuff. There are stickers for everybody that joins up if you send me your address, and if you join at the higher level, you get a box of goodies in the month of your birthday. So I will leave this here. Thank you so much again, and until next time, stay crafty.